What happens when your transmission cooler starts to go bad? Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know it is time to change your transmission cooler? The transmission cooler is located right on the transmission or somewhere near the transmission, or the transmission cooler could be built together with the radiator. The first sign that you know that the transmission cooler is failing is going to be transmission fluid leak. If the transmission cooler seal starts to go bad, it's going to cause the transmission fluid to leak right out. If the transmission cooler and radiator are built together as one assembly, and when that goes bad, that's going to cause the transmission fluid and the coolant to mix together. When these two fluid mix together, you're going to notice that the radiator is going to start to have this milky-like substance when you move the radiator cap. And that's how you know the transmission cooler had failed. At this point, it is time to change that radiator and transmission cooler that are built together. Also, when you change that radiator that's built together with the transmission cooler, you must also flush out that transmission because now it is full of that milky-like substance. Of course, when you flush out that transmission, it comes with a lot of risks, such as it can cause major leaks. It can cause all sorts of transmission problems later on. If you don't want to go that route, and I don't really suggest flushing it out, what you can do is a simple drain and refill and repeat that process a few times. The next time that you know the transmission cooler is failing is going to be overheating. When the transmission is overheating, most likely caused by transmission fluid leak, it's going to trigger that transmission warning light. When the transmission is overheating, most likely it's going to be caused by extremely low transmission fluid and increased friction in the transmission. When there is increased friction in the transmission, you're going to notice a very strong burning smell, especially when you are driving. In addition, you'll notice transmission performance issue as well. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.